National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Davidson County, central Randolph County, until midnight. At 9:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicates that thunderstorms with very heavy rain will move across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain has already fallen, and an additional 1 to 2 inches is possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar estimates. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Asheboro, Lexington, Randleman, North Carolina Zoo, Thomasville, Ramseur, Denton, Franklinville, Martha, Gordontown, and Eula. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until midnight Friday for the following counties in North Carolina, Davidson, and Randolph. At 9:15 p.m. At 9:15 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Richmond, Virginia Commonwealth University, Virginia Union University, downtown Richmond, University of Richmond, Highland Springs, Mechanicsville, Bonnier, East Highland Park, Lakeside, Bentley, Montrose, Richmond Heights, and Chamberlain. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Do not follow measures to protect the flooding when water begins rising. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county: Henrico, Virginia, and the Virginia Independent City of Richmond.